Scrub. To clean something by rubbing it hard with a brush. Please scrub the sink, it's dirty. I have given the floor and good scrub. Scrub walls down before painting them. Trim. To cut a small amount of something so that it is steady. My hair needs a trim. My job was to keep the garden in trim. Trim. Pour. To make a liquid flow steadily out of or into a container. Pour the coffee into a glass. I spoiled the juice while I was pouring it. Raw. Raw. To mow a boat using oars. They have gone for a ride to the island. The wind dropped, so we had to row the boat back home. Float. Float. To move slowly through air or water. Balloons float in water. The boats were floating gently down the river. Dive. Dive. To jump into water with your arms and head first. The man made a dive into the pool. Many dolphins can dive to depth of 200 meters. Duck. To move your head down quickly so that you are not seen or hit by somebody or something. When he saw them coming, he ducked into a doorway. You can't duck out of your responsibilities. Stomp. Stomp. To walk with heavy steps. He heard her stomp across the floor as if he were wearing combat boots. Punch. To hit somebody hard with your hand fist. She gave him a punch on the neck. He blacked her eye with that one punch. Cheap. To make short high sounds like bird. The birds chirp merely at the top of tree. Birds had begun to chirp among the trees. Bark. To make a loud short noise. Dog always bark at strangers. All are not thieves that dogs bark at. Soap. To cry while talking in sudden sharp breaths. The child started to sob when he couldn't find his mother. Sob. Bawl. To shout or cry loudly. You need not bawl. I am not going to hurt you. Yeah, I could never bawl out my kid like that. Martyr. To speak in a low, quiet, and often angry voice that is difficult to hear. Don't mutter when they are studying. The woman next in line began to mutter to herself. Saunter. To walk without hurrying. Let's go for a saunter along the river. I see. She usually goes for a saunter with her pet. Coral. To make something from into a cord or round shape. Does your hair curl naturally? Her hair fell in curls around her face. Wipe. To clean or dirty something by rubbing it with a cloth, etc. He gave the table a quick whip. She wiped the sweat from her forehead. Gasp. To make a sudden loud breath with your mouth open. He gave a gasp of surprise. She managed to gasp out her name. Squat. To rest with your weight and your feet, your legs bent. I usually squat on my hams. She goes to the gym and does squat every day. Lean. To be in a position that is not straight or upset. Lean your hand back a bit. Lean against my arm. I will support you. Lean. Scream. To cry loudly because you are afraid, excited, angry, etc. Her scream made me jump. A scream broke the silence of the night. Gulp. To swallow large amounts of food, drink, etc. quickly. He gulped down his breakfast. I drank my coffee in one gulp and ran out of the door. Flinch. Flinch. To make a sudden movement backwards because of something painful or frightening. She didn't flinch from telling him the whole truth. Sprinkle. To throw drops of liquid or small pieces of something over a surface. She had sprinkled colored sugar stands all over the cakes. Sprinkle a little cheese on the top if desired. Iron. To use an iron to make clothes smooth. While you iron my shirt, I always iron my clothes after washing them. Leap. To jump high or a long way. I leaped up to answer the phone. She leaped back when the pond caught fire. Polish. To make something shine by rubbing it. My sister polishes her nails. Polish your shoes regularly to protect the leather. Grasp. To take hold of something or somebody firmly. Roy suddenly grasped my hand. If you grasp this wood, I will pull you up. Comb. To make your hair tidy using a comb. Give your hair a comb before you go out. She combed her hair and put on some lipstick. Rinse. To clean something by rubbing it hard with a brush. First, apply shampoo to hair and then rinse thoroughly. Rinse your hair thoroughly after each shampoo. Subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.